Hello everyone. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Seriya Damanik, MPM C1C019015, course English 1C, supporting lecture Dr. E. Sujarwati, SPD, MPD, Assistant Professor Stephanie Tarigan. Uh, Here I will explain guessing meaning from context. Guessing meaning from context is the ability to infer the meaning of an expression using contextual clues. Next, here are 10 sentences guessing meaning from context. Number 1. Balance sheet is a financial report that presents the total asset, liability, or debt, and equity or capital of the company at a certain time period. Sentences summary of trial balance information will make it easier for a company to check the general ledger. Next, number 2. Asset or ownership of asset. Asset and asset that support the company's activities and can be exchanged in cash. Sentences all activities related to the acquisition, financing, and management of assets with a comprehensive objective. Next, number 3. Profit and loss is part of a company financial statement produced in an accounting period that describes the elements of the company's income and expense. Sentences: the profit or loss presented in the income statement is part of the statement of change in equity. Number 4. Liability accounts or economic sacrifice that must be made by the company in the future as a result of business activity. Sentences: example of the most common liability accounts are two: short-term debt and long-term debt. Next, number 5. Capital account is the difference between asset and liability, which are the right of the company owner over part of the company asset. Sentences: what affect the increase in capital is income, both for recording in service companies and in trading companies. Next, number 6. Revenue account is the result and income earned by the company. Sentences: revenue from sales of product is recognized on the date of sale or date of delivery to the customer. Revenue from rendering service is recognized when the service have been rendered and are collectible. Next, number 7. Expand account or sacrifice the occur during carrying out business activities to earn income. Sentences: prepaid and expense account, which requires adjustment because time has been served or due. Next, number 8. Real account or groups of accounts that have a fixed or permanent balance value. Sentences: such as real account in financial position appear on the debit side. Next, number 9. Nominal account or groups of accounts that have temporary or temporal balance values. Sentences: the nominal value of the shares is determined when the shares are issued. Number 10. Cash flow is an effort to track income and expense in the form of financial statement. Sentences: cash flow is another term for cash flow statements that are needed by both individuals and companies. Okay, Maybe this is where my explanation comes from. Thank you.